Hvad er det dog, I skal høre nu? Stille med, det er en gadus eller sådan noget. Ej, vi har poppet lidt op. Hit it! Oh, hey! Gas her! Så giver vi gas!
Your blue heart, but don't go too far. Try and you start this feeling inside. You're trying to hide, now wake with pride.
And you see the pipe. There is something of flexy with vibes. Tell you one thing, when you hear the groove and you see the move, there's no more to prove. And it goes like this. What is it you want for this Christmas?
In your eyes, I see now what is this? Want the moving parts, you want the moving parts, you want the moving parts.
Trust in me, I'll make you feel happy.
Everybody says I was happy with the moving parts, you want the moving parts, I got the moving parts. Don't get me wrong, I won't steal you, just follow the song. Then you feel who is pulling the train. You like to be late, I take jobs instead. Oh, it's out of control, no more waiting, I give you a show. Then we'll make it, just look in my eyes, and you get the prize, a flexi surprise. And it goes like this. What is it you want for this Christmas? In your eyes I know what this is. It's the moving parts. You want the moving parts. You want the moving parts. Trust in me, I'll make you feel happy. Everybody says I was happy with the moving parts. You want the moving parts. You want the moving parts. When it is cold and the night is dark, take control now, let us make a spark. But it's not a secret that I want to keep this. It's your past in you. You got the vibes, they're very strong. We can talk, who writes a song all long. And it's not a secret that I want to keep this. Cause you're passing you, hey, 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 hey.
Stor, stiv og gul og rigtig, rigtig lang. Kunderne vil have den, men den er ikke tam. Udenpå er der gummi, men den er stiv som stål, og den er fuld af influid, som pumpes op i mål. Vi sælger massevis af rør i både stor og lille størrelse, men får vi nogen form for rejsergodtgørelse? Nej, vi må ud og rejse i max 7,5 time. Jeg er famous så forarvet, jeg kan dårligt nok rime.
Hvad er det du ønsker dig til denne her jul?
Jeg ser i dine øjne, hvad du siger, det er cool.
Bare de flyttende rør.
Bare de flyttende rør. Du vil have flyttende rør. Michael Hjort, han taler gerne, og han taler gerne længe, når han prøver at motivere os til at tjene nogle penge. Henrik Olsen styrer fabrikken med fast hånd og stemme. Hvis du ikke kan høre ham råbe, er han helt sikkert hjemme. Christian sælger rørdomsrør, og men han er lidt dyr. Det skal dog ikke ligge ham til last. Han er en prægtig lille fyr. Under Reiter siger konfil, den sælger tidsblåne og stram. Så der er ingen anden at gøre end fuld fort frem.
And it goes like this. What is it you want for this Christmas? In your eyes I see now what is this? It's the moving parts. You want the moving parts. You want the moving parts. Trust in me, I'll make you feel happy. Everybody says I work snappy with the moving parts. I got the moving parts. I got the moving parts.
Tak skal I have.
Mange
Giv
tak.
ham lige en hånd. Og giv bassisten en hånd. Og hele bandet. Tak. Vi har kun det.
Ja, det har kostet.
Tak skal I have.